Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Windows update. This is that we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it. Go to other troubleshooters, click on it. Select the most frequent Windows update troubleshoot to run. Check for Windows update issues detected. If you have any problems found in here guys, that will be check mark here, and hopefully that can able to resolve our problems. And did you want to fix your problem, select yes and close the troubleshooters guys. And now go to Windows update, and now you can check for update. Anything listed over here you can update it guys. Hopefully that kind of problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.